Today I'm going to be reviewing the Lekesky lunch bag, and I got it in black, and it's an insulated lunch bag. So let's see how the inside looks like. This is it. It has a print on it, and then the pocket area does have Velcro. So this is a bag that is very stylish and it keeps your food cool, and you can see how roomy it is. It has insulation inside, so to hold your food and keep it cool. It's very roomy. We're gonna try and fit in tomorrow's lunch in there, and you can see, let's put that in, and you can see how much room I still have in here. One thing that I like is that I also like that it has this mesh pocket on the side, which of course I can put my liquids if I don't want to put them into the bag. So that still fits very nicely. I can put some fruits and some vegetable. I still have some more room to put more stuff, and the zipper closes very easily, so there's reinforcement around the side to keep it closed well, so I can easily close this like that. It has a very sturdy handle, so none of my food is gonna fall off, and the material is a cloth material. So I like this because it's easy to clean. You can just wipe down any spills that you get. The material has high quality fiber and stitching that will make it look really nice, and this lasts a long time. So I do like how it appears. I love that you can even keep your phones or your car key in this. One thing I also like about this is that this is a waterproof lunch bag, and it's also stain resistant, so you don't have to worry about your food spilling and you getting your bag all stained up. So this is absolutely beautiful.